Steam Clean removes light food spills and saves time and energy compared to the self-clean cycle. To avoid mineral deposits and water spots left by tap water, distilled or filtered water is recommended for this process, which can be purchased at any grocery store. Before steam cleaning your oven, remove all racks and accessories from the oven cavity and close the door. Press the Steam Clean button to start the cleaning process. When Add Water appears in the electronic display, open the oven door and add 10 ounces of distilled or filtered water to the bottom of the oven. Close the door and press Start. After 20 minutes, a sound will signal the end of the cycle. Once the cycle is finished, press the Cancel Off button to clear the display. Remove any excess water from the oven with a sponge or cloth, then wipe down the entire interior to ensure that your oven is clean. Heavier food spills and stains may require the self-clean cycle. Refer to your use and care guide for more information.